guys, we are back with a brand new video, and today I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane out of a single sheet of paper. After you saw a few videos of that, let's get into the tutorial. So first you would fold in half like so. Crease. Now open up, and then you'll fold these two corners into the middle line that you just made. Crease that. Now same with the other side. Fold in. Okay, so what we're going to do is fold down so then this edge touches the bottom, and so then it's aligned with the line at the bottom. It should be looking like this right now, kind of like an envelope. And then you'll fold to this line, like there's like an imaginary line basically right here, and then you'll fold up on that kind of crease part, so then it turns out like this. Next, what I did is I pulled this corner and then try to make it hit the edge, and so that's like this. Same with the other side. Just try to keep those points together. You can hold in the middle so then it doesn't fly out or anything. Then crease. So then now it's like that. I'm gonna let you have some time to catch up. Okay, so now what I did, you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to fold like that. We're making the wings right now, and then it would be done. So this is a really easy plane. And then take this edge right here and line it with this edge, your fold right here. So top of the wing, down here. So you're kind of creating a V shape. And try to keep these pockets from sliding out, just kind of shove them in there. And then fold, same with the other side. And then you might have to kind of mess with it and like add some elevator, and so make your little winglets. What I do is I fold in half and then fold down a little bit, and then so then you get something kind of like that, and then I'll let it kind of go up, and then I open up, and then you have your paper airplane that actually flies far. And I'd say like probably the max, I don't really know, I haven't really tried it outside yet. So please like and subscribe to this video, and thanks for watching.